Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Diva Dress in Donkey Kong Bananza. This fabulous outfit for Pollen can be acquired through two main methods. One way is to use a special amiibo, granting you early access to this sought-after item. The other method involves progressing through the game's story and completing specific challenges after the main adventure concludes. Both paths lead to this exciting unlockable, offering flexibility in how you choose to obtain it. To unlock the Diva Dress using an amiibo, you will need the Donkey Kong and Pollen amiibo figure. Once you have it, progress in the game until you reach the resort layer, which is sublayer 800. There, locate a special character called a collectone. Interact with this collectone and scan your amiibo when prompted. This action will instantly grant you Pollen's Diva Dress, allowing you to enjoy its benefits right away. If you prefer to earn the Diva Dress through gameplay, you absolutely can. First, you need to complete the entire main story of Donkey Kong Bananza. Once you have rolled the credits, a new set of post-game story missions will become available. Successfully completing all of these additional missions will reward you with the Diva Dress, ensuring everyone can acquire this special outfit through dedication and effort. Beyond its stylish appearance, the Diva Dress offers a fantastic in-game advantage. When Pollen wears this outfit, the likelihood of music discs dropping from defeated enemies is doubled. This makes collecting all the game's tunes much more efficient. Whether you choose the amiibo route for speed or the post-game challenge for satisfaction, the Diva Dress is a valuable addition to your collection, enhancing your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.